When it comes to video production, it's not just a camera, lights, having the right crew, having the right director. We want to make sure that it's entertaining and exciting. Hi everyone, welcome to Transcendence office. We are here in New York City, right on Chelsea, New York. Let me try again. My name is Chris, founder of Transcendent. Transcendent Enterprise is a boutique video production company. We've been in production since 2004. And over the years, we've focused on trying to make sure the production is painless as possible. We think it's important to give you, the customer, a good experience while producing your content. We've worked professionally, set up a lot of live streams in very high-end places such as Barclays, Madison Square Garden. We also provide streaming with panels or town halls for smaller companies. I'm constantly on my phone, even when I'm with my family. I am waiting for your calls. Not a lot of production companies are flexible and able to adjust at last minute requests, but Transcendent is. And the reason why is because we own the majority of our equipment. Our equipment is right on the shelves for us to grab. And we also want to make sure that quality is not compromised, that your production looks almost the same cost as $1 million for a way cost of a fraction less. We believe that if you have the right content, you could take over the world. You know, that's mainly how we approach it.